You can't guess what I'm thinking.
I'm Howard now.
I bet you can't guess what I'm thinking.
I bet you can't guess what I'm thinking, Yurt.
These controls are next level. Help! Yes! Woohoo!
Nothing like a nice, relaxing drive.
Woohoo! Help! Wanna play spray paints?
Let's do it.
Looks like allergy season's arrived.
Much better. I feel a song coming
To
up.
add one thing to the park, what would it be? How are you? Lawn sprinklers would certainly benefit the grass.
Let's make some music.
Add one thing to the park, what would it be?
I need a moment.
It must be pretty mini if it's easy to lose. To the playground.
Feeling the need for speed right now. These controls are next level. It's not here yet.
This is awesome.
What's your favorite thing to throw on the barbecue?
How could you possibly ask me to choose?
Arms straight, legs together. Watch me soar.
I'm gonna... little sunbathing.
Dreaming of ice cream, right?
Let's lower my coffee temperature. Get it tasty.
Wanna watch a movie later? Movie night! I'll bring the Let's catch the bus back. Closing the slide is the main event. Yeah! What's closing soon? I'm starting to prune up here.
Siapa sangka laptop zaman sekarang pun dah ada yang tahan lasak level macam ni. Ini dia guys, laptop yang terbaru dari Asus. Nama dia adalah